In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background to white. By the end, you'll take any photo, remove its background cleanly, and place it on a crisp white backdrop so it looks polished and professional for profiles, product listings, or presentations. First, upload your image to a trusted background removal tool or app. Most modern tools handle this with a simple drag and drop or an upload button. Choose the highest quality version of your image you have. Sharper, well-lit photos produce cleaner cutouts. If you're working with a product or portrait, try to pick an image where the subject contrasts against the original background. It helps the tool separate edges like hair or fine details more accurately. Give the tool a moment to process. You should see a live preview showing just your subject. Next, download the version with a transparent background. Look specifically for an option that mentions transparent and select PNG as the file format. PNG supports transparency, JPG does not. Before you click download, zoom in on the preview and check the edges around hair, hands, and any intricate shapes. If the tool offers a refine or erase restore brush, use it to fix any missed spots or halos. When a size choice appears, keep the original or highest resolution to preserve detail. Now open that transparent PNG in any editor you like. Paint on Windows or Canva in your browser both work well. In Paint, create a new canvas large enough for your image, then open or paste the PNG so its transparent areas remain see-through. In Canva, start a custom-sized design that matches or slightly exceeds your image's dimensions, then upload and add your PNG to the canvas. The key is that your subject layer stays separate, sitting above the background. Add a white background behind it. In Paint, fill the canvas with pure white first, then place your transparent image on top and position it where you want. In Canva, either set the page background to white or drop in a white rectangle that covers the canvas, then move your subject layer above it. Center and align the image, leaving a little breathing room around the edges. Zoom in and make sure any checkerboard areas are now solid white and that there aren't faint color fringes around your subject. Finally, download your finished image. Choose a format that fits your use case. A JPG is perfect for a simple white background and smaller file size, while a PNG also works if you want maximum quality. Save and you're done. Clean, consistent, and ready to share.